Hi everyone, I am Sricha. This is your first lesson in grade 2 science. Today's chapter is Things Around Us. Before we start our topic, shall I recall your new words? Natural things. Natural, natural. Things, things. Natural things. Natural, natural. Things, natural things. Man, made, things. Man-made things. Man, made, things. Man-made things. Living, things. Living things. Living, things. Living things. Non, living, things. Non-living things. Non, living, things. Non-living things. Now we are going to take a recap about your previous topic. What did you learn in your last class? Shall I tell you? Living things. Am I correct, children? We know things that grow, move, eat, react are called living things. Animals, birds, fishes, insects, trees and human beings are all living things. Yes, children. Now we are going to see our today's topic is non-living things. Non-living things cannot breathe, cannot move on their own, cannot eat food, cannot feel, cannot grow and cannot reproduce. Things which cannot grow, cannot move, cannot breathe and cannot reproduce are called non-living things. They do not have any kind of life in them. Example of non-living things are mountain, rock, bucket, water, land, building, chair, table, book, pencil. These all are non-living things. Okay, children. Now look at the pictures and learn about the non-living things. Here I gave you car, hat, cup, bat. Do the objects in the pictures breathe? No, they do not. Do these objects eat food? No, they do not. They do not move by themselves. They do not grow. They do not have babies. Non-living things do not have feelings. They do not feel anything if we touch them. Okay, children. Things that do not grow, move, react and are not alive are called non-living things. Soil, rocks, air, water, toys, vehicles are non-living things. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you few questions for recollect our topic. Refer your concept book in the page number of 14 and answer the following questions in the note. Shall I tell your first question? Your first question is, a chair cannot move as it is a dash thing. A chair cannot move as it is a dash thing. Your options are A. Water, B. Non-living, C. Air, D. Move. Your options are A. Water, B. Non-living, C. Air, D. Move. Your second question is, what is meant by non-living things? What is meant by non-living things? Your third question is, draw and color any two living things and non-living things. Draw and color any two living things and non-living things. Now we are going to learn few new words for reading practice which are given below. Shall we? C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. T-A-B-L-E, table. T-A-B-L-E, table. C-H-A-I-R, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. S-O-I-L, soil. S-O-I-L, soil. R-O-C-K, rock. R-O-C-K, rock. W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. T-O-Y-S, toys. T-O-Y-S, toys. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Okay children, I hope that you are enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.